All right, today I have a Maserati, and I'm going to show you how to switch between drive modes on this Maserati. Okay, you can take it from sport mode, you can take it to GT mode, and you can take it to comfort mode on some models, maybe even others on different models. But before I get started, if you found my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I'm behind the steering wheel of the Maserati, all right? And what I'm gonna do is, my vehicle's currently in park, but in order to change it, you don't necessarily have to be in park, but I'm in park on a flat leveling surface. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna look for the knob that says drive mode. And you can see this on this one. It is on the steering wheel right here. It says drive mode. And you can turn this right here is a knob that you can turn, and it changes the drive mode. And I'll show you on the instrument panel what I'm talking about. All right, so currently, right there, what drive mode am I in? Currently in GT. So if you look right there, it shows you in mode right here. It says GT. Now, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna turn the knob. I turned it counterclockwise and it switched to comfort mode. It also shows you on the middle screen display. So it's in comfort mode. You see that right on the screen right here, it says comfort mode as well. It's gonna go away momentarily on that. So I'm in comfort mode, all right? So I'm going to turn it. I'm gonna turn it back clockwise, and it goes to GT mode. Did you see that? GT mode. Okay, so that's GT. Now the difference between those two is the comfort mode uses less gas and is more comfortable on the road for you. GT has a little bit more sporty feel, it uses a little bit more fuel, and gets you going faster and tighter turning, okay? But then there's one that's even sportier than GT. It is sport mode. And so I'm gonna take this knob and turn it one more time, and you can hear the engine starts revving a little bit harder. It says sport mode, shows up on the screen. Let me show you again. Sport mode, it shows you on the screen. Now this mode right here, it uses more fuel, but it's quicker from the start, more acceleration, stiffer handling, okay? But it's really cool to use. Those are the three different modes. And to go back to them, you just simply turn the knob, because I was in sport mode all the way to the right, went back to GT, went back to comfort, go all the way back for sport. So that is how you change the drive modes in a Maserati. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.